Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create Ghibli-style images from ChatGPT for free. So let's get started. First of all, open your ChatGPT. Now go to these three dots and you have to select create image. Now you have to write the same prompt, or you can also use the prompt according to your need. Now just click on search. You have to wait until the ChatGPT is creating the image. So as you can see that the image has been created according to the prompt that we have given to the chat GPT. So this is the image and you can also download it, and you can, if you want to customize the image, you can also give another prompt to chat GPT. For example, that we will now write that make a house behind the young man in this image. As you can see that, so it shows an error. So there is another method to do the same thing. You have to click on download and it will be downloaded. Okay, now so as you can see that the image has been downloaded and has been successfully saved to the our device. So now you have to just click on upload files, where you will see this add button. Click on this, and now you have to upload the image. So as the image has been uploaded, you have to give the prompt that build a house behind the young man, and let's see that what ChatGPT give to us as a result. So it seems like that ChatGPT is unable to generate, but if you have ChatGPT Plus, you can easily customize the image according to your need. So you can also upload any other image that you want to make a Ghibli style. So the next step is that now you have to go to a software named as Step AI, and this software will make your prompt and your image to AI videos, and you it can also enhance your AI image. So how to sign into Step AI? The video have been already uploaded on the channel. You can also watch the video to sign up on Step AI. So first of all, you have to give you can give any prompt to Step AI and it will made you the AI video. So we will also write the same prompt that young man. Now we will change the prompt a little bit so that we will get some other results. We will give the prompt that create a Ghibli video of a young man and a young woman hugging each other. So, just send it. Now as you can see that it has given you all the accessories that you will need to make this video. So that's how you will be able to create the Ghibli style video or image using the ChatGPT. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.